my god, I didn't expect this. You know why? All the actors of a dream like a dream.
Wow.
Signed it! Guys, no! Look at this one. And then I also have like another Xiao Zhan signature.
We got 5.
So, yeah, even here. All there. Hi everyone! And welcome back to my channel! So guys, long wait is really over because my package from China is finally here! And yeah, thank you to my friend for sending this one, for helping me to purchase. And she told me that she put some merchandise from Yibo and Xiao Zhan. So I'm very excited. So let's start now. I'm going to unbox this one. So let's start. So, I think there's one of So yeah, it's already here. Let's start. I'm excited. Okay. There's no one. First one. Hello! Oh my god! Thank you so much to my friend! She put a lot of merchandise! Really? Oh my god! I'm so touched! Wow! Very nice. The first one is the holder. Oh my god! Ah! This one. Oh my gosh, 谢谢. And then, oh, it's so cute. Cute, Ibu. Ibuya. Oh yeah. And then, this one. Can you see it, guys? Go. Yeah, go. Ibu. And then, Xiao Zhan. Yibo, London, and then are you on? Oh my god, babies. And then, hello, this one is, I think, like folder. Yeah, folder. But I don't want to bend this one. I don't want to fold it. So yeah, London and lady. This one. And then, oh, another poster, picture. And then, Didi.
So handsome.
Really handsome. Actually, guys, he's like a new passion fruit. So please welcome him.
Hi.
And then, yeah, Weighing and Lanchan. Oh, I super love it. Oh my god, there's more! Wow! Oh no! I'm so happy. Why I can't open it? What's this? Bojun Xiao. And then I can't read this one anymore. Bojun Xiao Shinsu. Thank you. Oh my god, I love it. And then, what is this? Please. Oh my god, wait. Gosh. Oh no! I'm trembling. Oh please. And then another one, guys. Yeah! Too many! Oh my god! I'm so shy. this one. The ring. Yes, the ring. Oh my god. Thank you so much. And then candy. Oh yo. Chocolate. Well, it's not Pinimedyo ko. And then this one. Hello, I love it. And then this one. Ay. Oh, thank you. And then I love this one. Fan art. Ay. Fan art. And then. Oh my god. Xiao Zhan. Two guys. Oh my god. And then, another fan art. And then, yeah. I hope I can focus this one. And then this one. Oh no, I super love it. Oh, from WANG. Oh, thank you. And then, I love this guy. And then, no, not yet. And then this one. Yeah, you know what? I'm so thankful. Really. Very, very touched. Seriously, I don't expect that you will give too much. As in, wow. I'm so speechless. I don't know how to repay you, Jim. Really. Ayo. What's this? Oh, I can't pull it out. What is this? Hello! Wow! A leather. What's this? No, it's not mouse pad. A leather. What's this? Table mat? I'm not sure. Fuck you! Hello!
Fangirling.
I really love it! Aya! Tian Chan Chan! First one, meet up! And then, so it was like 2017 versus 2019. Yeah, and then another one. What's this? Tablecloth! Ay, no. What's that? Cloth banner? Cloth banner. Oh my god! Yeah, that one. I have another one! Hello! Yes! Xiao Zhan! Yibo! And then, the most awaiting part. Patient number 5. What's this? Diary? I'm not sure if this one is his diary. Actually, this is one of my biggest achievement as a BXG. I got a ticket! This is my ticket for a dream like a dream. Changsha. Just kidding. But guys, look. Xiao Zhan's signature. Yes, Xiao Zhan's signature. I'm proud of you. Really cool. And then of course, I love everything. Even the picture. signature. Ah! Signature. Ah!
Good.
Oh. Yes, you know what? I will put this one. Yeah, in the frame. Yeah, and I will display it. Seriously, I'm currently like, oh my god. And then, another autograph. But there's more. This one is really like, oh my god, I didn't expect this. You know why? All the actors of A Dream Like a Dream
Wow.
signed it! Guys, look! Even this one. And then I also have like another Xiao Zhan signature.
We got 5.
So, yeah, even here, diba? All the, can you see it? Can you see it? Can you really see it, guys? So, their signature, and then their signature. So, I'm very lucky. Good! Look at your signature. It also went here. That's it. Oh. And then next time, I hope I can also get like Yibo's signature. So yeah, thank you so much, Chia, for helping me to get this one, and then for giving me a lot of Yibo and Xiao Zhan's merchandise. I really didn't expect this one, and I don't know how to repay you. Oh, I'm so shy. Really, I told you a lot of times that I'm really shy, and I owe you a lot for this one. So that's it. That's it now, guys. And yeah. So that's it now, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and don't mind my feels. I'm very just like excited, overwhelmed, speechless, very happy.
Mixed emotions.
Yeah, really mixed emotions. And then for Yibo and Xiao Zhan, yeah, stay strong forever. I will support you no matter what happens. Whiny, but I know, of course. I'll just support both of you. Yeah, always take care, be safe, and please always be healthy. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and then I hope we can see each other again next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.